The RBI and banks are at loggerheads. While the central bank wants lenders to treat new and old customers at par, bankers seem to have a different view.
You must give a favorable treatment to your existing customer than a new customer. And if you don't follow, you are going to suffer. You are saying somebody is taking food at your restaurant for the last 1 year. He will pay from next day a higher price than a fellow who will join that. You cannot sustain the business in that way, and you must ask the counter question to the bank. Let me be very clear. If somebody complains to our banking ombudsman, they will deal with this complaint.
Most banks offer cheaper loans, but only for new customers, while existing borrowers continue to pay higher rates of interest. RBI wants this to change, but bankers say it doesn't make business sense, arguing that loans have been priced keeping in mind the cost of certain liabilities.
If in a given period of 6 months we want to do a promo on home loans, it is not right for the customer who has availed it 5 years back to come and say that, well, you are giving it now, give it to me then. Now if you buy a computer today, somebody who bought it 3 years back can't be saying, I paid more. Why are you selling it for less?
Clearly, the regulator isn't buying that logic.
If banks do not understand what is the difference between the capital cost and recurring cost, I think the customer must say that how safe is to put the money in that bank.
The central bank has already forced banks to stop charging foreclosure penalties on loans. But with most bankers up in arms against this move, it remains to be seen how strictly the central bank will enforce the treatment of old and new customers at par. Simran Gill and Anirudh Ghosh, ET Now, Mumbai.